Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, wherever you are. Today, I would like to say something about healthcare. People do trust, people they trust doctors. They trust their medical or their doctors. But one thing be say, or wetin people no know, say sometimes some doctors they make mistake. But because of the trust we get on them, say because they be professional for that their work, we get all hope, all trust on them. But we don't know say sometimes mistake dey come from them. Many people dey wey be say dem live all their life to or dey fear to go hospital. Or when e reach the time you tell dem say make dem go that hospital, that particular time you go see say the person don recover. One woman, this woman, when people, okay, this woman as im pikin come dey sick, im 4 years old baby or 4 years old child, because not baby again, na child. So this woman come because of economic problem and all these things. The money wey this woman get na e come take im daughter go hospital because the pikin get small rashes for im skin, and that skin na come be like say the thing dey get some kind pus. So from the leg na the thing come dey grow, just dey enter her body, dey enter everywhere. So the woman no know which kind of sickness be that, which kind of skin problem be that or sickness. But the pikin no get fever. So the thing too much, and the thing come dey inch in this pikin. As e dey inch am, na this woman say, okay, this money wey im get, make im kuku carry this pikin go hospital. This one na government hospital e carry am go, public hospital, not private now. When e reach there na, the doctor come dey ask am questions. And this thing na one thing be say, some doctors dey, when you tell them your problem, they no go touch you. They no go even wan examine you, look wetin cause this thing. Just only matter when you tell them say your pikin get this rashes or this skin something, e go just prescribe for you. E go just prescribe. E no touch you, e no do anything. So for me, I dey feel say mistake dey for some treatment or some doctors or some, like that dey come. Many doctors dey do this thing. So this woman come tell this doctor say, see wetin dey the skin infection wey im daughter get. So as the man just look am, he ask the woman wetin, the woman don explain say see. So the man come talk say, okay, when you born baby, get baby or something like that, they get some injections when they give them babies when they born them newly. So the woman come talk say he no give him pikin this injection. So now the man come say, okay, maybe na this you can imagine, say maybe na this something na cause this skin infection for your daughter. He come tell this woman like that. So with the money wey this woman get, na she bill this woman, this woman pay, he come give this child injection. So this woman come carry im daughter go home. This woman reach house, e surprise say that injection wey dem give the daughter, that place come be like say dey red, come get pus. So liquid come dey inside that particular place. Na this woman come say, see this thing o, this. So because of this sanitary card, if some countries dey use this sanitary card, but not all countries dey, not everybody dey opportunity to get this kind of situation, to get this card. But people dey say if you dey Europe, you dey America, or you dey here, you go get this sanitary card today. Anytime you fit take am go see doctor, you take treatment. Yes, you fit dey right for that. People fit dey right. But like Africa, those Africa no get am, and if before you get this card, you get to pay, or if you get money, you get to get these things. But some situations dey where e still dey happen for Europe, whether sanitary card, health card, or this one, that mistake of doctor still dey. The mistake still dey happen. So when this pus come dey for this girl leg now, this woman, because she no get that money, she no fit carry the daughter go back to hospital again, so she come take her hand burst the place where the doctor give the pikin injection, remove the pus. And by the time when this woman dey remove the pus, you see say water liquid dey come out, liquid dey come out for the leg. So this kind thing na mistake this woman dey do. If we go back again to this hospital, if we go back again to tell the doctor say see wetin dey happen to im daughter, or maybe another doctor, maybe the second doctor go fit see the problem wey that girl or that child get. But this woman no go, e just dey house, take her hand, open the leg, bring out the pus, dey use something to dey massage the leg make the water dey comot. No, may I tell you one thing, doctors dey make mistake. Many doctors dey make mistake. Okay, like one day this same thing happen again for Europe here again. Not this and not Africa now. E happen again too. One man, he just come one day for work. He say his stomach dey inch am. He say his stomach dey inch am. He no fit eat. So this man na man wey be say he no like hospital. This man prefer to go maybe like some countries where they use that word pharmacia. This man prefer to go pharmacia to go buy the medicine, or countries where they use pharmacy. This man prefer to go pharmacy to buy the medicine, or some countries where they use that name chemist. This man like to go that place to buy the medicine, or country where they use that name hypotheke. This man prefer to go there to go buy that medicine for there to take, make him dey okay. So that be this man own, and this man na Europe dey. So he prefer to go any of this place to go buy a medicine, make it dey okay. But this particular time, the story no be like that. By the time when this man reach there to buy the medicine, he say the place dey close, say that means dem dey break till dem open. So na just from that place to hospital na 15 minutes drive. Now this man say okay, make him kuku go the hospital, make him go buy the medicine. You reach hospital now, you no fit buy medicine for hospital unless, because hospital for dem get something like chemist or pharmacist there where you go, but without doctor in prescription, dem no fit give you, or dem no fit sell for you for there. So now he even wait. Him wife come tell am say make dem wait, make doctor attend to am. This man wait for there. When this doctor attend to this man, na stomach dey inch this man wey he explain to. This doctor no check this man. Wetin this doctor do? He just only prescribe for this man, because this man don tell am say he get stomach ache, the thing dey inch am. Na this doctor prescribe for am. So this man buy the medicine, then he go home. He no fit eat because the stomach dey inch am. He no fit. So he take yogurt, then he take the tablet. After some seconds when he take the tablet, he tell him wife say all him body weak, because no be the right medicine the doctor give am. He say all him body weak. This one not Africa, na this one na Europe. He say all him body dey weak. After some hours, this man stop to dey talk. This man no fit talk. The only thing when he do, he only just write notes, tell him, show him wife. Say, see. So with that shock and everything, the wife fear, say, hey. So what did they do? This man and man will not like hospital, but they go back again to hospital. Just because this man get sanitary card. If they say this woman from Africa get this sanitary card, or this health card as they call am, this in daughter leg for no get that infection. Today, when in daughter get, the leg now deform the girl. When the girl not confident, they walk well again. Just because this health card not there. Everything, they'll say, pay this, pay that, pay that. And not everybody they opportune to get that money to they pay for treatments. So, now this woman take her husband, they go back to hospital again. When they reach there, the wife explain to this one, now another doctor they see. Now this woman explain to the doctor, say, see wetin dey happen to your husband. Your husband come this hospital, see when he come, see wetin he talk, and see what the medicine wey the doctor prescribe for am. When the husband take am, After some hours, the doctor tell us say every 8 hours. But before the 8 hours when the man take am, the first 8 hours, see wetin happen to im husband. E no dey fit speak again. All im muscle for im body don weak. When the second doctor look the thing, e come say make the man throw away this medicine. No be this medicine e suppose to take. Say maybe this man no explain to the doctor wetin dey do am, because na language country. He say maybe like the wife say im husband dey fit speak the language even better than her wey dey here. Say im husband dey fit dey write, im husband dey fit dey read. While im dey with im husband when e dey explain to doctor, say see wetin dey do am. Na doctor say yes, this medicine wey dem give this man, say though na for stomach, but not this particular thing wey this man come from. So na something different. So dem throw away the medicine, so dem fit drip for this man. Before the drip go finish, run out for this man body, this man regain im voice back again. So if na so everything dey for Africa like that, this sanitary card, this insurance of everything, that small girl for no lose that alert wey deform am today now. So just say this sanitary card dey more important. E dey very good. If e dey everywhere for Africa, we not every time everybody go dey cry say we no get this money to pay to see doctor, we no get money. And by the time when you go see doctor, the way doctor go even bill you sef, go do x-ray, go do this one, go do that time, the money no go dey again. But like here now, if you wan go x-ray, you get anything to do when they wan check you, that card they go take and go, they go check you free, you no go pay. So it's dey better make this thing exist to our country, Africa. Not only rich people dey fit get that opportunity to go when anything do, they'll go, they'll see doctor, they'll pay this, pay that. But many people no dey opportune like that. Many people no dey opportune. If only our government or government of Africa change for once, because majority don't travel. They know how not only Europe, Africa, Asia. Africans dey everywhere, the world. They dey everywhere. So this sanitary card or health card, dey very important. Whether you get money, you no get money, e still good when they go use the thing to see doctor for treatment. You go see some people now, just because they no get this card to see doctor, they go prefer to dey house to dey use all this native something to treat themselves. At the end, the thing no go work. Not say native something no dey work or native medicine no dey work. E dey work, but e get the place where be say that medicine no go work. You get to see the thing, make the x-ray look you wetin you get. But native no fit check you or tell you wetin you get. So sanitary card dey very very important. And doctors wey no dey check person, wey be say when you only talk, see wetin dey do you, e no go talk, e no go check you, no go even ask you wetin dey happen, dem just prescribe give you, that thing no still good too. So e dey always good when you go again for the second time. Many people go say, they don go see doctor, the thing wey the medicine wey doctor give am, e no work, dem no wan go again. No, go again, because you get that card to go. You get that card to make dem take check you again, to check you well. So that is then very more important, that sanitary card. So thank you, viewers. If you love my video, just give me like and share my video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.